Alrighty everybody, it is A-Spec here, and today we're at Autoguys in West Allis, their hybrid repair shop. We're just getting our 2002 Prius back from them. We failed a state emissions test, so they just checked it out for us. They got it so that there were no codes anymore. So yeah, that's what they did. I'm here with my little cousin. Where is the tire? There's a tire up there. Very observant. But he's just gonna come back with us. So now, Bert, you've never ridden in this car before, so what's gonna happen is we're gonna be able to drive without the engine running, so you can hear it when it shuts off. It's gonna come. Yeah.
Do that again.
Beep beep.
Do that again.
Oh, hang on. Wait till we get.
Beep beep.
Shouldn't you try and do it?
No, I don't have the horn is on the steering wheel. I can't drive. I can't honk the horn.
Why is this feels a little bit different than normal?
Yeah.
Because it's in a much different car.
Yeah, it doesn't have a transmission, so there's no shifting. It just glides along, like, smoothly. Kind of cool, right?
I don't know why. Is the engine on?
Yeah, it is on. It's charging the battery.
Are we on battery power?
Pretty sure we are, Bert.
Are we on battery power, Grandpa?
Pretty sure we
Oh, I can still hear the engine. It's still running.
are. Yeah, because it's still getting warmed up.
Yeah. Yeah.
Still trying to warm up.
Yep.
Yep. No, it's totally silent. There's no engine running except the other engines of the other cars were around. Bert, or Grandpa, you want to show Bert the instant power when we get going?
Well, you know what? We should probably, now that we're off the freeway.
Yeah?
Yeah! Should we go to 360-degree air conditioning?
Oh, wait.
Turn
Yeah.
off the air.
Turn off the air. Yeah. Let it.
What if this car's windows go all the way down? I think I shouldn't be riding.
3 seconds to 20 miles an hour.
You like that? You like how fast this car picks up speed? That's the electric motor. It's got lots of power, doesn't it? Yeah.
6.
Average over 390 miles.
Good.
Yeah.
No, it's not showing what we're using.
Right.
No, Jen put it to different setting to show
How much fuel we're using.
how much fuel we've used,
Yeah.
and then you can switch it back.
Yep. Touch screen.
It's not a touch screen, right?
It is a touch screen.
It is a touch screen.
Yeah, it's kind of crazy that a car this old would have a touch screen.
2001 car.
Yeah.
2003 automobile has a touch screen.
Yeah.
That is unusual.
Electric only.
I can see the mailbox ahead.
Yep.
All right, we're home.
Now can we get out?
All right. close everything up.
All right, let's go. Park.
Yeah. Oh.
How do I open the door? How do you open the door from the inside?
Pull the lever. There's a silver lever. Just pull that and opens the door.
Really pull it.
Did you like riding in this car?
Yeah.
Was it kind of cool to hear the engine go on and off?
Can we do some more of the...
All right, so this was 2002 Toyota Prius. We just got it fixed at the hybrid shop. If you've got any questions about Prius or anything else you'd like me to review, just leave them in the comments. And this is A-Spec signing on.